Hey y'all, about to take a ride down to try to find this waterfall here in Kentucky. If I find it, I'll be back in touch. Stay tuned. This is something that's cool about getting on your motorcycle and just taking a ride for a couple hours. You come up to places like this and it's just cool. I have a feeling I am getting closer. Well, I think we found the waterfall. It really looks fake, like a fake background, but it's really not. This is awesome. This is just part of an adventure on riding the motorcycle, just going wherever the road takes you, enjoying the ride, coming to an awesome destination. This is the good part of life. This is why we ride.